Hi, I'm Ryan from Inline, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to export data of coupons from WooCommerce directly from WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin. The first thing you need to do is open the Import Export tab from the main page, as you can see here. And then in this form, we have provided all of the required statuses for exporting data from WooCommerce, and the first one is exporting all fields of all coupons. To export the data related to the WooCommerce coupons, you need to choose all coupons in the table under coupons and all fields under field. The next one is exporting only visible fields of all coupons. By choosing this option, just the data of the fields in the coupon table will be exported for all coupons. So you need to manage the columns of the coupon table before starting to export data using this way. Then there is exporting data of all the fields of selected coupons in the table. To activate this option, at first you need to go to the bulk edit tab and mark some coupons in the table, and then you're gonna return to the import and export tab, and then you're gonna choose these options: only selected coupons and all fields from fields, and nothing else. Alright, then we've got exporting only visible fields of selected coupons. If you just want to export the data of selected coupons in the table, you need to mark these two options: only selected from coupons and only visible fields from fields. And actually, here it's better to check the coupon table before starting to export your data to make sure whether the columns in the table are exactly the ones you want. And if you need to manage columns, it's better to use column profiles form and add or remove your columns first. Okay, when you set your condition, now it's time to click on Export Now, and then the process of exporting the data will start automatically, and a CSV file will be downloaded to your device, and you can actually open this by Microsoft Excel or save it to be used for importing data to the WooCommerce later.